So I thought I'd show you what's inside the lovely TheZestCo parcel. It's I ordered just the other day, and they've arrived today. So these, I've all got my favourites in here, and Sarah's very kindly popped in a mango sample, which I'm really excited to try. So I'll let you know how I get on with that one. These are some of my favourites. So the apple. Lovely pieces of apple there, really great with rum or whiskey, that sort of thing. Absolute favourites, the pineapple flowers, which I think you'll have seen me use a few times recently. So lovely in Prosecco or into punch or anything like that. I've got 2 bags of those because I get 3 lots. And then delicious orange, lovely big bits of orange in there, which are just, they're just great in gin or, well, nearly anything. Absolutely love those. So I absolutely love these. They are always they don't taste they always taste fresh. They don't taste you know how sometimes you get dry garnish, it can taste a bit, well, stale, to be honest, but these ones never taste like that. They're absolutely wonderful, and they last ages. So although they do have a best before date on the back, I have found you can go beyond those as well and they still taste brilliant. So yummy, yummy, yummy. Can't wait to try these ones.